Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your places. Today we are going to recite a poem. The name of the poem is A Child's Evening Prayer. Now, everyone pray to God in the morning, right? At night also, right? We thank God that God has given a day to enjoy, right? And at last, in the night, we again thank God that He has given us a day that we have enjoyed and we have done so many things in our day, right? So this way God also do miracle in our life. God solves our so many problems, right? Anything which we hide from our family members and friends, that we can share with our God, right? So let us read this poem. What this child is asking to God. Ere on my bed, my limbs I lay. God, grant me grace my prayer to say. O God, preserve my mother dear, in strength and health for many a year. Now, here a small child is praying to God. He is in his bed. He has joined his arms and he has folded his legs. And what he is saying to God that, please God, give me strength, give me honor that I pray you. And also he is saying that please protect my mother, give her strength and health for many years. And oh, preserve my father too, and may I pay him reverence due, and may I my best thought employ to be my parents' hope and joy. Now, here the child is praying to God, the child is saying to God that please protect my father too, please protect my father, and also I want to give him deep respect, and also I want to use my best thoughts that I can make them feel proud of me. That now, here the child is saying that he wanted to do something very big in his life so that he can make his parents feel proud of him. And O preserve my brothers both from evil doing and from sloth, and may we always love each other, our friends, our fathers, and our mother. Now, here the child again saying to God that please protect both my brothers from evil doing. From evil doing means wrongdoing. Okay, something doing something wrong. He wanted to protect both his brother from evil doing and from the laziness. He want his both the brothers should become active. And may we always love each other, our friends, our father, and our mother. Now, here the child is saying that whole his life they want to stay together and they want to love each other. And still, O Lord, to me impart an innocent and grateful heart, and after my last sleep I may awake to the eternal day. Now, here the child is praying to God, the child is telling to God that please give him innocent and grateful heart. Innocent without negative thought. Grateful means always thankful to God, always thankful to God, a heart which is always thanking God that God has given so many things to him. And after my last sleep I may awake to the eternal day. Now, here the child is saying that whenever he take his last sleep, he wanted to get up in a day which is everlasting, which is never lasting, which has no end. Okay, So, this is all about this poem. Now, let us recite this poem once again. Ere on my bed my limbs I lay, God, grant me grace my prayer to say. O God, preserve my mother dear, in strength and health for many a year. And O preserve my father too, and may I pray him reverence due, and may I my best thoughts employ to be my parents' hope and joy. And O preserve my both brothers both from evil doing and from sloth, and may we may we always love each other, our friends, our father and our mother. And still, O Lord, me to me impart an innocent and grateful heart, and after my last sleep I may awake to the eternal day. Amen. So, this is all about this poem. Now, here you can see this name Samuel Taylor Coleridge. He is the poet of this poem.